In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to make a dress pattern. So basically, a dress pattern, a basic dress is just a combination of a bodice and a skirt. So I'm going to show you first. We'll start by drafting the bodice, then we'll attach it to the skirts downwards. So let's start drafting. I'm going to mark my shoulder and my neck width measurement at the top. So I'm just going to get my measuring tape and mark the neck width over here and the neck depth down here. Then I'll connect the two to shape the neckline. So this is the neckline. The next, I'm going to mark my shoulder measurement. Then I'm going to slant the shoulder by half. So just go down by half on the shoulder, then connect the slant to the neck width with the ruler like I am doing. Then next, I'm going to put my armhole measurement right here. I'll put my armhole measurement, and I'm going to draw a horizontal line outwards and a vertical line upwards, and we're going to shape the armhole later on these two lines. The next, I'm going to put my shoulder to bust measurement. Well, first I'll find the midpoint of this line and shape the armhole before we move on to the bust. So I'm just going to connect the points and shape the armhole. Going to shape the armhole by connecting these points. The next, I'll mark my shoulder to bust measurement, shoulder to waist measurement, and shoulder to hip measurement. So first, I'm just going to draw a line on my shoulder to bust measurement. Then I'll go to my shoulder to waist measurements. Then I'll draw a horizontal line and my shoulder to hip measurement, and my shoulder to full length of the dress. And I'm going to draw horizontal lines across these points. Then the next thing I'm going to do is find the circumference of my bust, circumference of the waist, divide by 4, circumference of the bust, divide by 4, circumference of the waist, circumference of the bust, divide by 4, circumference of the waist, divide by 4, circumference of the hip, divide by 4. And then on the full length, whatever I have on my waist is what I'll put here, or I'll get what is on my hip and just subtract 2. Then I'll connect the 2 points. So basically we have a bodice and a skirt that are combined together in order to form a basic dress. So I'm just going to connect the points and shape my pencil dress. So guys, if you've watched up to this end, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. So I'm just going to shape my hip properly and then cut out the dress.